Om Namaha Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely most auspicious, prestigious conch in the world. Just perfectly having only one leg. See, just it is perfectly having one leg. It is for Lord Shiva. It is for Lord Shiva. It is just only one piece in the world. It's a real Lord Shiva conch. Extremely rarest, miraculous collection. This conch is very very powerful than the Dakshinavati conch. See, you can see clearly one line. Extremely very very rarest, auspicious spiritual collection of conch in the world. We can feel extreme energy of Lord Shiva. Extreme energy of Lord Shiva. Totally unbelievable collection of conch from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Unbelievable collection. Real Lord Shiva conch, only one line. It is just one piece in the world. Extreme unbelievable collection. And conch is very fine quality, extreme finest quality. Miraculous, spiritual, real Lord Shiva conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.